Palestinian construction worker rams excavator into a Jerusalem bus. A Palestinian construction worker rammed his excavator into a bus, killing one pedestrian before being shot dead by police in Jerusalem on Monday. A mostly empty bus was traveling in an ultra-Orthodox Jewish neighborhood of Jerusalem at about 1:30 p.m. on Monday when a Palestinian worker employed at a construction site nearby rammed his excavator into the bus. The driver, Mohammed Naif el-Jabayas, ran over a pedestrian before flipping the bus over. Police then shot and killed the driver of the excavator. Israeli police have ruled the incident a terror attack.